So, hi everyone, my name is Kiara with a QQUIARA, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please do hit that subscribe button down below. So, for today's video, I will be making a DIY Pinterest-inspired aloe vera facial mask. So, ito yung mga ingredients ng DIY green tea face scrub recipe is hindi ko na talaga siya mineasure, nagtansya-tansya method na lang ako is 1/3 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, pero gumamit ako ng totoong aloe vera leaf, kasi quit buying those aloe vera jar and grow your own aloe vera na lang. It saves you money and mayroon ka pang halaman. So, 2 green tea bags, and ang ginamit kong green tea bags is yung ginagawa ko, yung making my own homemade herbal tea, which is the malunggay, and it comes with a green tea also, green tea leaves also, because meron din naman kaming mga tanim na green tea dito sa bahay. So I make my own tea. And sa next ingredient is 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E oil. Since wala ako nun, I did use baby oil, yung aloe vera, yung ganyan, yung ganito. Tapos 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil, and wala ako niyan, so gumamit na lang ako ng lavender oil ng Human Nature. So, ito yung ginawa ko. Hindi makita. Ayan. Kaya na lang yung mag-adjust. So, hindi siya masyadong malapot, pero okay lang. Kasi yung ginawa ko dun sa aloe vera, blender ko siya, ni-Nutri-Bullet ko siya. So, I'm gonna talk about my skin. I do have a positive sides and negative sides on my skin. Yung positive sides is di ako masyadong tigyawatin, which is I have receiving a lot of compliments na makinis raw yung mukha ko, poreless raw ako, and hindi ako tinutubuan ng tigyawat, and I am very thankful of that. And yung negative sides naman ng aking skin is I have a very sensitive skin, and I always have a dry skin always, and siguro kapag stress is meron naman akong oily skin. How sensitive my skin is, allergic ako sa beaches, sa seashore, sa mga beach, kasi hindi ko alam kung saan nag-originate yung pagka-redness ko, as in pantal-pantal talaga, and hindi ko alam kung dun sa sand. Kung dun sa sand, pupunta ako dun sa beach, dun sa dagat, to wash off my face, and pero nahalata ko mas lalo siyang lumalala. So I need to find a comfort room with tap water, with fresh water, na walang salt siguro. Allergic ako sa salt water, feeling ko. Then, I will find a mild soap and I will wash my face and it will calm my skin. So, ganun ka-sensitive yung skin ko. So, ayun. And I am doing this DIY facial mask kasi I love Pinterest. Adik ako sa Pinterest. Mas gusto ko pang mag-scroll sa Pinterest kaysa sa Facebook. So, eto. And after, ginawa ko na siya, and I did do a patch test right here. Ito, nakita nyo ba? Ayan. I did do a patch test right there, dito lagi. Kasi kapag dito, meron akong hair, tapos moreno yung skin ko. So, brown yung color ng skin ko. So, kapag ma-feel ko kapag nangate. Pero kapag namula, hindi ko makikita. So, dito na lang. And na-apply ko siya, tapos wala naman nangyari sa akin. So, okay naman. And di naman ako magtataka since natural ingredients naman yung mga nilagay ko. So, I will be applying this on my face. nakalimutan ko rin sabihin sa inyo yung final ingredient ko, yung last ingredient ko, which is yun, coffee. Nilagyan ko siya ng just a pinch of coffee, yung kape ni Mudrak, pero hindi ko dinamihan, onting-onti lang, kasi baka magalit siya sa spin ko na sinasayang ko raw yung kape niya. And I will just wait after 5 to 8 minutes to let this face mask, DIY facial mask, to set it on my face, and I hope that I will get that moisturized and soothing feeling on my face. So see you later. After 8 minutes, I did wash off the DIY facial mask, and I will tell you that I didn't use any moisturizer, and ang ginamit ko lang na pang wash off is mild soap, kasi kailangan talaga ng isabon siya kasi meron siyang coconut oil and mga baby oil at saka lavender oil, so oily siya. And yung ginamit ko lang is mild soap, yung ganyan. I do make my own mild soap. It's made up of glycerin and it's made up of a natural ingredients rin, so yun. And I did not use any facial wash, so ganyan lang siya, mild soap and water. And I did feel the smoothness on my skin, and para siyang naglighten, para nag-vibrant, ganun ba? Or if ever, I feel like na nag-smoothen siya na parang baby skin. So, I think I will do this once or twice a week as a home remedy and as a skincare routine. So, I hope you will do it, and I hope I really did inspire you to take care of your skin. So, bye. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.